Andrew Cobb here with Cobb Productions. We're live at the TK Racing Garage, and Chris is under the car right here. Chris, explain what you're doing right here.
Pulling the driveline out right now. We're going to be putting a new rear end in here. We're going to take out this 10 bolt GM rear end. We're going to put in a 4 9-inch floater. It's going to be much more reliable and safer total outcome. And yeah, just upgrading the car right now and getting things torn apart. Get ready for the new things to go in.
Another thing that we are working on is whole new body. Got new doors, fenders going on, a front bumper. We'll redo the rear bumper. The engine's going to get pulled and sent to an engine guy, and he's going to freshen that engine up. And this championship car is going to come back 2020 to run for a new championship. About to get this useless fucking back bumper off. Like that. Let's take a look at this supposedly back bumper right here. So it was just a bunch of square tubing that these lazy fucks put together. Didn't really like have any meaning. Back here, this crossbar that's right there was actually holding up the fucking rear axle here. And you can see it was rubbing right here, so it was just really a bad put together everything, huh?
Yeah, it's a poor design. We want the car to flex back here. Mostly, you know, it's not a full frame car, so tying it up like this really stiffened the car up and wasn't getting the full potential of the rear suspension movement. So getting rid of the rear end, getting rid of this bumper, getting rid of the structure frame deal they had going on, and we're gonna reconstruct everything and put a 4 9-inch and it's gonna be good to go. Different car.
Yeah, we're gonna build one of our Cobb Cristiano fabricated back bumpers back here. You know how we do. Makes it look so much nicer, and it protects the car so much better on the sides, quarter panels, everything. Last year with this bumper on, you know, we ran into some issues back here. This was all tore up and we had to cut it before the main. And you get jagged corners like this that are just dangerous to work around and could lead to popping people's tires without really wanting to do that. All because of a badly designed back bumper. Another thing that I did, took me 5 minutes, was get these door hinges off. You know, the previous owner of the car sat there and just torched them off, got torch happy instead of just zipping them out. That's an added 5 pounds right there that we just took off, both sides.
Yeah, weight reduction is a big deal. Extra stuff that needs to be on the car don't need to be there. It's just going to get in the way later. It's going to weigh us down. We get a lot of mud packed into these cars during practice and during heat races, so we want to keep the weight down to a minimum because there's going to be a lot built on during the race day.
And that's right. So our next thing is we got the rear drive line out and everything, the rear axle. Next thing will be this beast. We'll pull this out, open it up, see what we're dealing with, and then, you know, get a hold of our engine guy and see what we can do there to freshen up that engine. We're going to drop this gas tank back because, like I said, the previous owners that built this car set it up super high, which if you think about it, that's added weight on top of the car instead of lower center gravity. So the car wants to roll instead of slide.
Yeah.
So we're going to keep at it, and we'll keep you guys posted.
get something for the front. Hold on. Go back a little bit.
Driver's side motor mount wasn't even mounted to the fucking engine. Lazy fucks building race cars. Not a good combination. Back it up.
Rob, anybody, and Don. Making losers late for work since the 90s. Drop 104.5.
Can you get that out of the paper now?
Move that in air real quick so I can move this. I'll put it back behind the car.
What are these bolts?
I don't know, there's some over here. Oh, they're fucking gun housing bolts. Don't smoke this, people. End up like this one. I'm gonna tear this engine down, see what we're working. So we're still here, TK Racing Garage, busting this engine down here, getting it ready for a refresh. And as we're going through it, we're looking at what the engine was doing throughout the last couple races, and look at what we found. What did we find here, Chris? We found broken
Rocker bolt. Seconds away from splitting.
See how that bolt's all cracked there, ladies and gentlemen? We were literally a millimeter away from a catastrophic engine failure. We have no idea when that happened, how it happened, why it happened, but that's why you go through your engines between seasons and even sometimes in the middle of seasons just to make sure that everything's running good, you know? Like I said, that could have caused an extreme failure, and we're still going to be working on this and seeing what else is wrong with the engine, if anything, and it's just part of the process of being a great duo.